How can you fix the Android focus mode? Let's get started with it. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, the focus is basically called just mode on the Android platform, so you can get inside your settings and check out the modes and routines, and you'll be able to just fix the individual focus modes, right? So there might be like different reasons why it doesn't work the way that you would want. For example, it might be turned on when you don't want it to be turned on. And in that case, tap on the individual focus modes which get turned on and pay attention to the like scheduling which might be in place. You can see there is the turning on manually and turning on automatically, so you can literally set up conditions when the mode will be enabled, and perhaps you might not like that, so you can see that the app opened, time period, and a place, or even different conditions might be in place when the mode is going to turn on automatically, right? So as I say, this might be one of the reasons why the mode doesn't work the way that you want, and one of the ways to fix it. The other ways is basically just to customize it and fix it so it works the best way for you. So just play around with the actions, right? So you can enable the power saving modes or open an app or do some different actions and just customize it so it does what you want it to do and it doesn't do what you wouldn't like it to do, right? So that is how you can basically just fix the different focus modes. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. If there is something specific which your phone is doing and you would like to fix that, let me know about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you later.